I message to Manipur already such a beautiful place. Ado integrity ngakna anything tawbada ngambada tunga Manipur integrity so kanaba action and words so ado carefully ngambada carefully action lobada ado ngai haidu and sigi mitse I am see 18 June se I come here every day because sigi significance hai integrity day haibnina see chap chai Manipur ki integrity it's a symbolic day. I have community may 34 I 37 they are all Manipuris. Aduna Punchil Lakanta Pendaba ST Hagera, MLR, LR Act Hagera, low and everything can be dealt with properly through the government. Manipur can be announced as a hill state. But the movement of an eye for an eye will make the entire world blind. Aduna so just remember, an eye for an eye will make the world blind. So if everybody, like for example, let's say one community speaks for its community and vice versa, so Nagas will be restricted to a certain area, Kukis will be restricted to a certain area, we will be restricted to the valley. So I mean, like we have broken Manipur that way. And then what about the, transportation of stuff, everything. I think it is in everybody's benefit to make sure that Manipur stays one. And let love and understanding prevail. Let there be good law and order. Let the police do their job. Let the students do their job. Let the professors do their job. Everybody should do their own respective job. That's how things go forward. Okay. Thank you.
Indiana namlo loksidlawa matungda sayaki
Sagul Sen Surchandra Porongpa Thawan Thaba Athauba Sagul Sen Surchandra Porongpa Thaba
Lejati Karishu Kachanaba Nakanda Sannava Tawai Layang Lokan Sinatan Lowi Ukola Nagana Athauba Kurisa Mandla Hayungsi Ikattalo Karingit
Among Rajin Maitre, Lauren Hall, Takilaban Lekai, Athauba Sigi